Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your currency on Depop. Now, whether you want to set your sellers or your buyers to a preferred country and currency, changing your currency on your Depop platform is very important so you can receive the kind of money you want to in your preferred currency. All right, so how to set your currency on Depop? The first thing you want to do is ensure that you're properly signed in on your Depop account. All right, when you've done that, head over to logging in to navigate you directly to your Depop dashboard. You can achieve that by typing in your email address, phone numbers, and all the necessary information that is needed for you to get yourself properly signed in on your Depop platform. Now, having done that, to change your currency on Depop, the first thing you want to do is navigate to your profile icon, which is at the top right corner. And when you've done that, you just head over to settings and it will take you to this page where you can change your currency on Depop. Now, on this page, what you want to do is just head over to preferences, choose your preferred currency that you want to change from. Let's say you want to change from US to UK or what have you. So just choose your preferred currency, and once it has been selected, it should automatically save, or you can just click on save and it will change on your displayed product prices. So this is how you can successfully change currency on Depop. Remember, not a difficult thing. If you're not comfortable with the particular currency that you're working with, you can easily go through the process of changing the currency. Just do well to follow through with all of this information I have shared with you, and then you're good to go. Have a great shopping experience on Depop. Until next time, thank you for watching this video and bye for now.